Monarch. Go ahead, I want to get a view of these fixtures. All right. I guess we could. All right, let's go back down to one in there. I don't want to overpower this thing. I love these buttons. These are pane fixtures. I wonder what kind of buttons these are. These look almost...
Those are probably replacements.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. These appear to be the replacement.
They probably had buttons just like this one back at the time.
That's exactly what I was about to say. So this is original. These are likely replacement. So let's go back down to one and we're in there. Before we go, listen to the relay. And just so you know, this elevator stays on peak up. So with that being said,
That's it.
thanks for watching.